Do you also get confused when it comes to give introduction? If yes, it is not only you. It is the case with many of us. Yes, many of us gets confused when it comes to give introduction. Even when I was asked to give introduction, my first introduction, I also got confused. But do not worry, in this video we are going to talk about how you can give your basic introduction. Hello everyone, I hope you all are fit and fine. I Bhavna Verma welcome you on your own YouTube channel. Let's learn together. As I shared in this video, we are going to practice how we can give basic introduction. Because giving basic introduction is something which we all should know. And that is not a kind of rocket science which you cannot do. It's very simple. So when you are asked to give your introduction, you must start it with greeting. You can say hello, good morning, good evening, as per the atmosphere, whatever the atmosphere is. Next, which you should try or you should add when you're giving your introduction, that is your name. So you must add your name after greeting someone you are giving introduction to. The third you should add, that is your location, where you are from. After that, you can add what you are doing or what you do currently. Whether you are studying, you are working, whatever you do, that you must add. After that, you also should add what you love doing, what are your hobbies, your interests. And at the end, you can just say thank you to ending the introduction. See, I told you it is not going to be a rocket science which you cannot do. It's very easy and simple. So let's practice whatever we discussed in the video till now. Good morning. My name is Bhavna Verma. I am from Delhi. I am a teacher. I love listening to music, watching movies, and reading books. This is all about me. Thank you. So, that is what we discussed, or that is how we can give our introduction, basic introduction to anyone. If you like the video, do like, subscribe, and share the video with others. Also, do not forget to comment in the comment section how you are going to practice your introduction. You can mention the details in the comment section, step by steps, the steps which I told you. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.